Yes, my people, we there again, man. I tell you, they are in again for just cover a story where happen over there in a Mandeville, where a woman found with a gun in her bosom. Tell you, 99% of crime them were going happen because a woman. We can tell you that and it's set up by a woman. Don't feel like say just man alone do the crime them. You hear me tell you? Yeah. So you see people. And next thing I will tell you, you see when you go to bank, I deal with big money transactions. Watch your surroundings. And be careful of who know about you are going to do the transaction. Because enough times some people where you trust they must set you up and set up your life. You hear me tell you? Yeah. One woman I travel with three criminal. Three criminal man in a one Toyota. In a Toyota. In a Honda Fit. In a man devil there. And she a carry gun. I use big titty. Big titty fi cover up gun. In her bosom then take out the gun, Big fat 9mm. Yeah man. I trail down your woman. I trail down your woman with the money. Cause she got a bank go draw big cash. You don't know what she gonna do with the money, but she got a bank, go do the transaction. Yeah man, it happen. It happen in the morning. About 11:20. You see me? And the police end up on patrol and realize a car move suspicious. And decide say boy, them go check it out. Yeah, like a silver Honda Fit. Four of them in it. One woman, three man. Yeah man, them I want the human with the money in a bag. That's why I'm telling you. When you not deal with certain transactions, you have to be vigilant. You have to be mindful of your surroundings. You have to be careful who know you are going to do certain things. You can't trust no one in these times. Is it? Because imagine, woman, use her big titty to cover up gun. You see me? And a brazier and there, Normally when we are little boy, I grow woman, I go some woman have all that little money and put it underneath the breast there. Yeah, man, but right now, a gun underneath them. Yeah, man, you have to be careful where other woman breast these days. Yeah, man. It's a terrible thing. Happening a man devil them, I tell you. After a woman left the bank, man, then start trail her down. Trail her down, you know, to take away her money. But I can tell you this. You have to watch your surroundings. Big 9mm found in the woman bosom. Yeah, man, all four of them taken into custody. Alright now, them a got make it look like say, I know that them hid upon. But the officer then don't find them with a gun. You see me? Yeah man. A be a mixed reaction in the people them I say some people are congratulate the police them. Yeah man, and you don't know. People say lock them up and dash a key. Yeah, I tell you man. Yeah man, devil police no play man. They always a lookout man. They always a patrol, they always cause all the top cap down there say yo, man they fly wrong place so no come with it. And all sort of things. So as me say, when you know how to transaction at the bank, be vigilant, look out, watch your surroundings. Yeah. No female and orchestrate the crime where you see a go on. That me I tell you. Yeah. You can't trust no one, because if a woman are going to do that, just imagine what the man them a do. So, as I say, when you not transact money, know who you tell. You tell you, and watch your surroundings. You see me? Because you know pretty. They see how them think them smart, then give you money gun and she put it on her breast. Feel like say, then can elude the police. But the police then too slick for them. You know, police then look like some female couples there and say something don't look right. And check underneath the shelter. And look what them find. Gun. So all my viewers and my subscribers them, just bless up on yourself and continue to support the music. Support the movement. Me I talk about music. Support the movement. Yeah man, like, subscribe, comment and share. Bless.